What is up, you guys? Just so you know, I'm sorry I have not been posting videos like I said I would, but I'm gonna make a video again after this. Smurf Village, something like that. But yeah, so if you just clicked on this video, you guys want to make slime. So yeah, let's get started. All you guys would need, just so you know, people say slime, like there's all quartz, like there's slime, like this one's really not a slime. This one's just like a, if you touch slime. But let me warn you, if you make this slime, it's very sticky, so watch out. I'm sorry if my nose is stuffy. I'm very sick right now. It's very cold outside and stuff. So first ingredient that you're gonna need is baking soda. So yeah. It doesn't matter how much you use. I'm not gonna make a lot, so yeah. So I'm just gonna get it around everywhere. And the second ingredient is some soap. It can be like here. It can't be the soap that you use in the restroom. It has to be the soap you use to wash dishes and all that stuff. So yeah. So you just wanna put it in here. Then you're gonna need a spoon to twist it up. So you're just gonna have to keep doing it. It depends if you want to be. If you're in a rush to make slime, then you might just want to go fast. So I'm gonna rush because I'm gonna post a video for you guys so you guys can see. So remember when I told you guys it's gonna be sticky and stuff? This is what I'm saying. It's still sticky. This is why, in the end, you're going to put it in this bag, and then it's going to become the touchable slime, so you can just touch it and stuff. And yeah, just so you know, I'm going to make more. Ooh, just been a mess. So yeah, you can keep making more and more, but yeah. As I was saying, if you want to go fast, you can, because the faster the better you make slime. And when you tell your friends, look, I made slime, tell them you made the bag slime, because there's two types of slime. When you touch it, it won't stick. That's because you can pretty much, if you're gonna make real slime, just add borax to this and it will work perfect, like real good. One day I'm gonna make a video of me with that type of slime. You guys still haven't told me on the next video what kind of video you want me to do next. So I just put a slime video. Just so you know, hold up. Okay, hold on. I gotta know where I put that thing. Put it somewhere around here. Oh, whatever. Hold on. I'll be back to you guys. Here. Where is it? Okay, guys, I'm sorry for that. I'm gonna put some smell in this. I was gonna put food coloring, but I can't find the food coloring. Hold on. Have a little more stuff in here. Yeah, I'm gonna add some smell. You guys might be in the comments below. Why are you putting smell? Well, it's because and when I show my friends, I want to show them, like, they're gonna be like, hey, why does it smell like cologne? I'm gonna be like, because, like, who wouldn't put cologne? Like, people are so, like, weird nowadays. Like, how do I say it? Hold on. I can't. I'm trying to look for a song and the thing again. The food coloring. Very hard. Oh, whatever. We forget it. Hold on. Is it? Oh, yeah. Tell me in the comments below, what are you gonna be for Halloween? Me, of course. Let's put this stuff on. Me, I'm gonna be the Purge. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna be the Purge. With a chainsaw. Yeah. Yep. That's what I'm gonna be for Halloween. Now, as I was saying, tell me what you're gonna be for Halloween. So yeah. You guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you guys can join. Not join, I meant so you guys can know when I post a video, it'll pop up like right there. So yeah. Just so you guys know, make sure, well, how do I say this? When you guys are making slime, make sure when you're scooping it up, put it like this. So you guys can like scoop it up with that. So it comes down easily. So you get the bag. It's just gonna go straight in like this. Here. Sorry if this video is really long.